Hello guys, welcome to another video on the channel. Today we are looking at the DJI Mavic Air 2. This is a drone that was announced by DJI on April 27th, 2020 and available for pre-order and actually released on May 11th, 2020. It's one of the most advanced consumer drones that you can find on the market right now. It's got sensors in the front, sensors underneath, and sensors in the rear, together with a half-inch sensor on the camera. And it takes just stunning still and video images. So the most impressive thing about the Mavic Air 2, well, there are a couple of very interesting things about it. Is the distance it can fly away from the operator. It would go about 18.5 kilometers, which is about 10 miles away from the operator, while streaming high definition video onto the controller's screen. Also, it folds into a very small form factor if you have to throw it into a bag, a backpack, or make it small when you're going on a trip, or throw it in your pocket. It weighs 570 grams and it boasts 34 minutes of flight time, which is almost like a first in the industry. The previous Mavic Air, I believe, just did about 21 minutes, but the Mavic Air 2 would do 34 minutes of flight. The other thing that's impressive about this drone is that it has, it would do full HD 4K at 60 frames per second. Why is that important? Well, some videographers would take footage like that, slow it down, and then you have this very immersive and stunning looking footage of the drone just flying over maybe a cityscape, and you see the stuff below move slowly. Also, this drone has quite a few automated flight modes. You can either have the drone lock in on a subject while you fly the drone, and that way you don't have to worry about tracking your subject, or you could actually have the drone track a subject and fly itself automatically. So those were are two great advances. And then you also have the wireless connection, the Wi-Fi, which is very robust and solid on the DJI Mavic Air 2. Also a first for any drone, as far as I can remember. This drone has ADS-B in, which allows you to see any aircraft in the area that is sending out ADS-B signals. So if you are operating, let's say, somewhere where you wouldn't expect any aircraft to show up, and there happens to be an aircraft in the vicinity, then this drone will pick it up and let you know on your screen. That is a big safety factor. Well, what do you think of the DJI Mavic Air 2? Let me know your thoughts below, and for me, I think this is the ultimate consumer drone. Thanks for watching.